Hello, Lade Deo. Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lade. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make this ginger, garlic, and turmeric paste. It's awesome and amazing. If you don't remember anything from this video, please just remember that it's a great immune booster and it has anti-inflammatory properties. I hope that you and your family are keeping safe at this time, and I just pray that this season passes us real quick. But in the meantime, this is one way to help boost your family's immune system by incorporating it in your teas, in your meals, and all sorts. Let's get started. You're going to be needing some ginger. Of course, you're also going to be needing some garlic, and it's just the same quantity. It's about 1 cup and a little bit. And then you're going to be needing some salt, and then turmeric. I'm only using about 6 of it because I don't want it to overpower the whole thing, and then some vegetable oil. Okay, so I'm going to just take a spoon and begin to peel off the back of this turmeric. Turmeric is so underused in Nigeria. Turmeric is so powerful. This turmeric na baba. Turmeric contains this thing that really stains a lot of things. It's really bright yellow or orangey in color, and it's called curcumin. Curcumin is the chemical in it that makes it, really bright yellow. But what turmeric does and has the potential of doing is to help with heart disease, Alzheimer's, and even cancer. It has a very high potency with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It is powerful. I don't throw away the back. Look at how my fingers are yellow from that curcumin chemical. I don't throw away the back. I use them for teas. But this is, the back from 6 little turmeric. Thing is ginger. Ginger is a flowery plant, but it grows as a root, so it has this weird and odd construction. But there's some gingers that really look nice. These ones I didn't really like how they look, but I made it work, and I'm just using a spoon to scrape like I did with the turmeric. Ginger is also really great. It can help you reduce your risk for diseases, so that's building the immune system. It helps with cough, cold, and flu. It's a great way to relieve period pain for women. It has also anti-inflammatory properties, and it can help you settle an upset stomach. It can also help you prevent what's this thing called being nauseous if you're pregnant, and I like to add it in my smoothies as well. So this is it peeled. Here are my ingredients all clean and prepped up. Garlic, the ginger. I didn't show you guys how to take out garlic, but I'm sure you know how to. Garlic is also amazing, and then of course the turmeric, and then some vegetable oil and some salt. So what you're going to do now is take a blender, and then you're now going to put them in. I was supposed to put in the garlic first because it's softer on the blades, on your blender blades, but it's okay. It's okay to put the ginger first. I ended up shaking it up, to get some of that garlic on the bottom, and then I'm going to put some garlic. Garlic is amazing, guys, and I think we do not use it enough in Nigeria. Like even turmeric and ginger. So now I'm going to add some oil, vegetable oil, so that it can help with the blending, and then we're going to begin blending. Garlic is in the family of onions, and if you know me, if you've been on this channel for a little bit, you know that I love onions. And again, I don't think we use it enough in Nigerian recipes. Garlic also helps to lower blood pressure. Yep. Help to reduce cholesterol, and it also has the anti-inflammatory properties that ginger and turmeric has, and then it also helps to reduce your risk of cancer and other diseases, and then to build a stronger immune system, which is really what we all need at this point in time. So I'm going to mix. I kept mixing it to get the blades moving, and don't worry, you can add some more vegetable oil if you have to. There's a lot of fiber in the ginger roots that I was using, so it really made my blender blades kind of tired. So but then they still did a good job. Please don't add water. Just trust the process, and ta-da! This is it. The turmeric was not too, overpowering, because the garlic was significantly more than turmeric, so it didn't stay in my blender, and it still looked decent. It didn't look yellowish. Okay, I use this for a lot of things. I'm yet to add the salt. I'm going to add it in this container. If you have those fancy glass jars that are airtight, you can use them. I don't have, and I don't even know where to start looking for them in this lockdown, so I just used what I had. And then I'm going to add the salt here now, and then I'm just going to mix that together. We're going to top it up with some vegetable oil. The salt helps with preservation, to help you preserve it, and you can still have it in tea like this. You can, but I love to do my stir fries with this. I love to boil my protein, so even if it's meat or chicken, I like to boil it or cook it with ginger garlic paste. So this is perfect for preservation, instead of you buying it and it spoiling every time. And this is the end result, guys. I'm pumped and I love to have this in the house. It just helps me a lot. I love the aroma. I like how it smells like, and I just really like that I'm making effort to keep my family's immune system strong. So I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. Until next time, be the best version of you. Bye.